Chelsea! Di mo ko pinapansin, matagal na. Magtatamla ako sa'yo.
Tayo, diba? Ay, nakalive si Sir Ken.
I love you, Chelsea.
Love you. Grabe pa rin ako supportahan ni Sir Ken.
Kahit nung Miss Universe Philippines, di ba nakita mo
Kahit
yun?
kailangan namin mag-low-key.
What's your favorite line?
Line saan?
Sa Q&A.
Question kay Sir Ken. Productive and progressive ba? Okay. Sabi kasi nila, ano daw, memorize ko daw yung answer ko during the final Q&A of Miss Universe last year.
Yes,
Sa totoo lang, Sir Ken, bigla na lang talaga pumasok yung productive and progressive as well ko.
Nagalit ka ba sa akin nung ako yung nakapansin?
Oh,
Alam mo ba kung ano yung saan ka kinulang kung bakit naging runner-up ka ng costume?
okay.
Kasi nga, hindi mo sinabi yung progressive productive as well nung debate.
Kasi eto pa, very miss as well daw ako. Kasi sinabi ko rin pala yun yung, my victory is yours as well. Kung sa totoo lang, last year, hindi ko rin na-foresee na yung sarili ko magiging
Bakla ka, bakit mo kasi
candidate ako
binigyan ng
for-
ballpen nun si Atisa
Oo
Manalo?
nga, eh.
Wala sa ballpen nun,
Joke
ikaw
lang.
yung nanalo nun eh. Diba? Joke lang.
Love you, Atisa.
Joke lang, Atisa. Pero Chelsea, last two questions. Okay na ba yung binirsa mo? Joke. Sino ang Miss Cosmo mo?
Wow. Okay, have to be honest. Okay, I saw the
Hindi mo
girls.
pwede maging honest. Maging liar ka lang. Joke lang.
Almost honest.
Joke lang.
Okay, kasi, you know, as a reigning Miss Cosmo runner-up, I am now inside the organization. So, alam ko kung ano yung palakad, alam ko yung standard nila. So, nakikita ko talaga, well, I really have to be honest. I think the perfect candidate, Bella Ismael.
Yung ganun po si Chelsea, guys. Marunong siya sa kutob.
Oo, malakas lagi ang kutob.
Malak-
Siyempre naman, I am very vocal naman po na I am very grateful for all of their support. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi rin ako ganito ka-positive in life and confident without their support. Sir, syempre ngayon ko lang talaga na-feel yung paglalabas ako, may nakakakilala na. Alam mo yung boost ng confidence sa'yo, yung confidence sa'yo, iba. Iba yung feeling. So, thank you for your love, your support, and for giving me that kind of recognition. Kasi parang feeling ko, ito na yung reward sa lahat ng hardships ko in pageantry. So maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart. Again, this is not yet the end.
Oh, this is not yet. It's a clue, guys. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, it's a clue. Pero kung ano't ano man,